welcome back to our channel. Benjamin and I are pretty excited to show you guys what we got. So I asked the husband if I could get this, and I've been wanting to get this since the beginning. I ended up getting the Nick box. Now this is the summer of 2018 box. I know one item that is in it, but I really like to be surprised. But the Nick box is basically a subscription. You guys would get it quarterly, so it comes out every season, 4 times a year. You guys can get your own box if you want. The first, if you guys want to just try one box, it's $49.99 plus shipping. Or you guys can get a whole year for $45.99 each box plus shipping. But if you guys click my referral link below, you guys will end up getting $10 off your box. So I think it's something super cool. I've always wanted to try this. You guys know I'm a huge fan of Nickelodeon. Every day when I was in school, or back when I was in school, I used to watch Nickelodeon everything, like Rugrats all the time, Doug, which Doug is no longer Nickelodeon anymore, it's now Disney, but Ren and Stimpy, Real Monsters, all that stuff. As you guys have been seeing, I've been hauling stuff from the Nickelodeon from the Dollar Tree, and then I also started collecting Pop Funkos of the of Nickelodeon. Ben and I just went to Hot Topic yesterday. We got a couple freebies at Hot Topic. So I'm excited to show you guys what is in the box. I like to be surprised, so let's just dig in and see what we got. And we got a bunch of stuff. So here, let's see what we got. So we got a Nickelodeon hat. This is, hold on, Ben. We got a Nickelodeon hat. So this is a cool little hat that says Nickelodeon.
We got.
Yep. And then it says the Nick box. There's a little tag right here, but that looks like a cute little box. Hold on, honey. Cute little hat for Ben to wear. It says Nickelodeon on it, and it is a campfire.
Let me see.
So,
let me see. Oh.
See, it says Nickelodeon, and then it says the Nick box, and just says in the Nick box. So we got a nice little hat to wear. It's not a deep hat, but you know what? It'll do because it says Nickelodeon. Now they always send you at least one clothing piece, and then you get some other stuff. So the one thing that I do know, hold on, honey, and here is all the items in the box, but we're not looking at that until the very end. So here we got our shirt. It says Camp Nick Summer 2018. It's kind of an okay shirt. It's not the greatest. I'd probably sleep in it, and I ordered a large because I thought these would be like super small, but this shirt looks huge. So, I mean, this looks huge on me, but I would probably wear it. So, let's just try this on. Will you hold on for just 1 second? Let me try this on. We're going to wear our Nick shirt, okay? Nickelodeon shirt. You want to wear the Nickelodeon shirt?
Yeah.
It'd be like a nightgown on you.
I want to watch you.
You're going to watch me? Yeah, it's a little big. I mean, the shirt's okay. Sorry, I got my Toy Story shirt on. But, I mean, the shirt's okay. I wouldn't wear this out in public unless I'm, like, mowing the lawn. I'm not a big fan of the colors, but I'm still pretty excited. You know, I got my Nickelodeon gear on. So, Benjamin's going to sit back on my lap, and we're going to go through more of the Nickelodeon stuff. So, if you guys think about it, most shirts are, like, 20 bucks. The hats are, like, 10. So, we got that. And then they give you a vinyl figurine. Oh, we got Helga.
Bobblehead.
Yep. We got Helga as a bobblehead, so that's kind of cool. And a lot of these toys are Nick box exclusive, so you can only get these through the Nick box, but that's cool. We just got a Pop Funko of that. Ooh, what is this? Oh, this is cool. Shore Shack, which I think is from Rocco's Modern Life. It says no shoobies, but it is, oh, Rocket Power, sorry. This is a surfboard, but it's a bottle opener, and you can screw it right to your wall. That's actually something really cool. I've been wanting to get something like this, you know, but look at that, it's a surfboard. And then back here it says, you know, Nick included. So that's awesome. You got your little bottle opener. So I'd say this is like 5 or 10 bucks. So we got that going on. What else do you want to get? Okay, here is a Rocco's camping figure. Now, this is what I did see on the site. I'm going to open this up because I'm probably just going to put this on.
I want to touch it.
You want to touch it?
Yeah.
We're going to put this on our little Nick shelf. I want to get a bookshelf for behind me to put all my little figurines. So this is an actually pretty good figure. I mean, it's Rocco with the backpack. I mean, this weighs a pretty good ton, and I think it's a pretty good size. I mean, that is awesome. Don't you think that's cool? I like this. This was the thing I didn't want to look at, but I think that is pretty cool. So, I mean, if you think about these, this vinyl figure, usually they sell for like 10, 15 bucks. That is awesome. What is this?
No.
This looks like it might be a beach ball. We got a little...
Let's open it.
Let's open it.
See what's inside. I know it's inside here.
Okay, let's see what we got. It is a beach ball, actually, and it is just of the sky. There's a balloon.
I'm gonna blow it.
Let's see what this is. Ben's gonna blow it up. Let's see. It is the Rugrats Reptar beach ball. Apparently Reptar's in here. Let's blow it up. Blew it up. It took a while, but there is 2 different blow spots on each side, but it is like the city, and there is Reptar inside. He's like a little wobbly. So you blow Reptar up, and then you blow the top up. I mean, it's cute. It's a cute little beach ball. Ben will love it. I know we'll have fun playing with that.
Well, so this is at the beach, and this is at the swimming pool.
Yeah, we can play with the swimming pool, too. Here we got some boxer shorts. Those are huge. But they say, Camp Anawana, we hold you in our heart. But when we think about you, it makes me want to fart. It is from Salute Your Shorts. These are nice, like, little silky. I mean, they're super silky. I really like these because I like to just lounge around half the time. And these would be great pants to lounge around. I mean, they go great with my, they don't really match, but they would go great. I think they'd fit my waist. This is one size fits all. But that is awesome. I really love the feel of these. These are super, they smell weird, so I gotta wash them, but I like these. I like these. You guys, I'm just being silly again because I love to be a kid. What else we got, Benjamin? And then it looks like we got a Camp Anawana estimated 1991 water bottle, and it does say Salute Your Shorts. So that is a great thing. Ben will definitely be using these. He loves drinking out of water bottles. So we ended up getting a nice little water bottle that matches my pants or shorts.
That's massive upstairs.
Yeah, and then the last thing we got, you guys, is a deck of cards. I'm so excited. We always love playing cards when we have people around. Like, let's just, I got the hiccups now. Let's just play some cards. So here they got, you know, a bunch of cards, and they're probably all random, but they got all the characters on there. So that is kind of cool. So we got that, and then that is the end of our box. I know it's kind of sad, but here is what is inside the box so you guys can see it. I mean, it's decorated. It says the Nick box. It has all the characters in it. And then you got your little log cabin, you know. And it's part of me likes to keep these boxes, but a part of me is like, why do I keep them? And then in every box they give you a card. I just did not want to look at it. But it looks like we got 7 items. I mean, I paid $45 for this box because I did a year subscription, but I think we did pretty good. If you guys really think about it, I mean, this beach ball is probably worth, what, $5 maybe a little bit more. A couple bucks for the water bottle. I definitely pay like $10 or $15 for Rocco, so we got that. You know, this surfboard is probably like $5 to $10. I mean, it's a pretty good, you know, thickness of that. Usually a deck of cards is like $3 or $4. And then we have the Helga bobblehead. That probably runs about, again, you know, $5 to $10. The shirt, most people usually pay $20 for like a t-shirt, and this is kind of cool. I think it also might glow in the dark. It doesn't say. But I mean, we got your hat, and then you can't pass out these awesome trunks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Nick box. If you guys are interested in trying a box like this, definitely click my referral link below. You guys can get $10 off your first thing, but you guys will have to stay tuned and see what we get for the fall. I'm pretty excited to see what is in the fall box. I've been waiting for this box forever, you guys. I subscribed to it a couple months ago, but they ship it all at the same time. And Benjamin wants the bobblehead. So here is the bobblehead. So that is kind of cool, Helga. Move it, football head! So there is that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a
Thumbs up.
thumbs up. Give them thumbs up.
Yeah.
Thumbs up. That's how he does his thumbs up. And we will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
I'm going to keep these in the air.
Okay.
For the not get wild.
Okay, you say goodbye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See ya.
Bye.